Moto Nana Eats.
What's up mga kanomnoms? It's a Sunday night at katatapos lang namin mag-church. So tayo ay pupunta sa Burger Bean dito sa Highway 2000 sa May Taytay Rizal. Another day, another vlog, another food review. Let's go! At sa pagkakaalam natin, ang Burger Bean ay may iba't ibang branches. Alam ko, may somewhere sa Laguna and meron din sa Camarin. I'm just not sure. Pero yun, hindi lang ito nag-iisang branch. So, check nyo na lang yung Facebook and we are here. Ayan yung address nila.
Moto Nana Eats.
Mga kanomnoms, hindi na natin mapapagsunod-sunod yung mga kinakain natin, pero sasabihin na namin kagad yung food review.
Moto Nana Eats.
For their nachos, generous ang portioning niya. Good for 3 to 4 or 4 persons. Depende, pero marami yung portions. Yung meat nila, hindi ganun na ka-teaspoon. Marami yung meat. And in fairness, okay yung amount ng toppings. At good news dito, pwedeng magpa-add ng cheese sauce in case na maubusan o makulangan ka. Pero yung sauce nila, it's a bit mild. Yung nacho chips nila, normal nacho chips naman. And with jalapeno na sobrang dami. Dahil love namin ng jalapenos, good job doon. So, we'll rate the nachos a 4/5. Mga kanomnom sa bacon burger nila, it's not the normal size burger. Medyo malaki siya. The bun is sweet. 100% beef patty rin siya. So, hindi siya yung joke na 100% beefy. So, reminder lang, magkaiba yung 100% beefy and 100% beef. Pero yun, generous amount of veggies and malinis yung vegetable, which is very good. The patty mix, para lang siyang salt and pepper to taste. But it tastes clean, yun ang gusto namin. And overall, it's okay naman, pero hindi siya explosive as I was expecting. Yun. So, we'll give this a 3.8/5. The tip, if you want a perfect juicy burger, go with 80% lean ground or lean ground beef. And 20% ground beef, yung fat niya. That will keep it juicy and moist. Yun. For their wings, 6 pieces to, pero para siyang 3 pieces lang. Yung pinakabuong wings na, tapos sinati lang sa gitna. So, naging 6 pieces siya. Yun. We got the cheesy jalapeno flavor. In fairness, masarap naman siya. Sana lang medyo mas-sauce para mas masaya. Kasi parang ito, nuot lang yung sauce dun sa chicken. Pero okay naman, masarap naman siya. And yung chicken itself, mismong may timpla siya sa loob. So, kahit wala siyang sauce, malalasahan mo yung chicken niya. And yung lasa nito, lasang chicken lollipop. So, 4/5. Steak quesadilla naman tayo. The beef is like pulled beef. Yun, masarap din yung cheese na ginamit dito. Pero sana lang medyo may cheese pull siya, kaya lang wala. Though mainit siyang binigay. Ayun, pero overall, it's good din. And even yung white sauce nila na paired with the quesadilla, masarap din. So, wala nang ibang masasabi kasi yun lang talaga yung nandun. Pero we'll give that a 4/5. So, I got the campfire s'mores mocha. Tapos, kahit yung marshmallow lang yung tinost dito, yung mismong drink, smoky rin. Gusto ko din yung marshmallow na ginamit kasi lumalaban yung pagka-marshmallow niya at hindi siya yung basta-basta nagme-melt in your mouth. Overall, masarap naman yung lasa niya. Lasang, gusto ko yung medyo matapang yung coffee nito. Yan. I'll rate it a 4.3/5. At yung in-order naman ni Direk ay vanilla white milkshake. So, little too sweet sa kanya, pero masarap pa rin naman. And not sure if may Biscoff flavor ba siya dapat. Pero yung mismong milkshake niya, mas nagibabaw yung pagka-vanilla. And, ayun, we'll rate that a 4/5. Yung ambience nila, simula pa lang nung pagdating natin, nakita naman natin sa labas, it's inviting, it's clean, friendly and respectful yung staff, nakakatawa sila dito. At the same time, affordable and generous portioning ng mga food. Ayan, hindi ito sponsored mga kanomnoms. Again, we always give honest reviews. For ambience, we'll give it a 5/5 and meron din silang CR sa loob dito. Overall experience, 4.2/5. Kung babalik, of course, babalik ulit kami. So, that's it, Pansit. And it's a wrap.
Moto Nana Eats.